Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Today, we're going to explore how beginners can successfully start a profitable wooden house sitting business. By focusing on simple, creative wood projects, you can turn your passion into a steady income stream with dedication and effort. Wooden house sitting is an excellent opportunity for newcomers to earn money by crafting beautiful, functional wooden furniture and decor items that enhance homes. With quality craftsmanship and effective marketing, you can develop a sustainable profit, building a reputation as a reliable artisan in your community. Begin your journey by learning fundamental woodworking skills through online tutorials, local workshops, or community classes. Focus on simple projects like small shelves, stools, or decorative signs, which are easier to produce, sell quickly, and serve as a solid foundation for developing your skills and confidence. Invest in essential woodworking tools such as saws, drills, sanders, clamps, and measuring tapes. High-quality tools improve the precision of your work, increase efficiency, and ensure your finished products are durable, attractive, and capable of satisfying your customers' expectations. Opt for sustainable or reclaimed wood to create eco-friendly products. Recycled wood adds a rustic, unique feel to your projects, making them more appealing to environmentally conscious buyers and helping you establish a reputation for environmentally responsible craftsmanship. Market your wooden products effectively on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Share high-quality photos and videos of your work, post regularly, and engage with followers to build a loyal community interested in your crafts and eager to purchase. Pricing your products accurately is vital. Consider material costs, labor, overhead, and current market rates. Set competitive prices that reflect the quality of your work, ensuring a fair profit margin that allows your business to grow sustainably over time. Create a professional portfolio or online catalog showcasing your best work. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and testimonials from satisfied clients to attract new customers and help them visualize the quality and style of your craftsmanship. Expand your skills continuously by exploring advanced woodworking techniques, innovative design ideas, and developing new product lines. Staying updated with industry trends and learning new skills ensures your offerings remain fresh, appealing, and competitive. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Also, share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Your support means a lot and helps me bring more valuable videos to you. Thanks again, and see you next time. Market your wooden products effectively on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Share high-quality photos and videos of your work, post regularly, and engage with followers to build a loyal community interested in your crafts and eager to purchase.